In this video, I'll show you how to connect Mautic to N8N so you can streamline your marketing workflows. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automation tips. Start by heading to the credentials section in N8N and click Create New. From the list, select Mautic. Now you'll need three things: base URL, the full web address of your Mautic instance, starting with HTTP or HTTPA. Username, your Mautic login username. Password, your Mautic login password with API access enabled. Enter these details carefully, double check for typos, and then hit save. That's it! Your Mautic account is now connected to N8N, giving you the power to build automated workflows that connect marketing campaigns with other apps seamlessly. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more quick and guides.